Good morning, Rangers. It is Wednesday morning, a little before 7. Driving east into the morning sun, headed out to Johnson's Lumber today. I'm going to give a lumber delivery for the shop. And so since we're out of school, I figured I'd drive out there and save myself the shipping costs and bring some lumber back to the shop. And so I thought I'd take you guys along for a little virtual field trip. And so that's what we're doing this morning. Got my big trailer behind the truck. And like I said, I'm headed east to Charlotte, Michigan, and I'll keep you guys posted here what's going to happen today.
Here we are at the lumber yard, Charlotte. You can kind of hear the buzzing back there with their milling lumber and everything in the big warehouses. With social distancing, I can't go back there, but they're going to bring our load out in a high load and put it on the rig.
All right, got our load of lumber and heading back to the shop to unload it. All right, Rangers, we are back at school here. I had to stop at home for a little bit, but I'm back at school about lunchtime, and I'm going to unload all that wood into the shed. All right, all unloaded. Should be enough to get us started next year. And make sure we got a good quantity to start up on. I was hoping to get behind the gates at Johnson so you could see the lumber mill and all that, but unfortunately that wasn't an option. So that was all we had, and I'm going to go probably work on the guitar a little bit and then head out of here.
All right, we'll take this out of the clamps and put those small pieces on next. All right, so the cross braces are not exactly square, like 90 degrees square. So I'm going to use what's called a sliding T-bevel to find that angle. I'm going to put that in the corner, get that angle, and then I'll put it up here with the mark that I made and use that for my alignment, so that I can make sure everything stays nice and true. All right, so we got those last bracing on. Next thing we'll have to do is pull off that bridge and mount that on here after this glue dries.